Are you tired of struggling with bulky, corded vacuum cleaners that limit your cleaning range and flexibility? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to the FABULETTA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, your ticket to effortless and efficient cleaning. With its powerful suction, long-lasting battery life, and versatile cleaning capabilities, this vacuum cleaner is designed to tackle dirt, dust, and pet hair on any surface, leaving your home sparkling clean. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Powerful suction for thorough cleaning. Equipped with a high-performance 380W brushless motor, the FABULETTA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers an impressive 30 kPa strong suction on max mode. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and debris. This vacuum cleaner ensures thorough cleaning on various surfaces, from carpets to hardwood floors. Extended runtime for comprehensive cleaning. Say goodbye to frequent charging interruptions with the FABULETTA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner's fast 4-hour charging and 50-minute runtime in Eco mode. With its detachable 8x 2500 mAh large capacity battery, you can enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions without worrying about running out of power. Plus, you can purchase an additional battery separately to double the runtime for comprehensive whole house cleaning. Versatile cleaning options for every scenario. With its 6-in-1 multifunction design, the FABULETTA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is equipped to handle any cleaning task. Whether you're cleaning pile carpets, floors, sofas, stairs, cars, or upholstered surfaces, this vacuum cleaner has you covered. Choose from different suction modes: Max, Standard, Eco, to suit your cleaning needs and reduce power consumption. Enhanced maneuverability and visibility. Cleaning under furniture and in hard-to-reach corners is a breeze with the FABULETTA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner's flexible LED motorized floor brush head. The built-in LED headlights illuminate dust, debris, and pet hair, while the 150 degrees sideways rotation and 90 up and down rotation allow you to clean with ease. Plus, the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended cleaning sessions. Cleaner air for a healthier home. The FABULETTA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner features a high-efficiency filtration system that captures 99% of dust particles as small as 0.1 microns, ensuring ultimate purified air for your family. With its fully sealed cyclone filtration system, this vacuum cleaner prevents secondary pollution, providing fresher air and a healthier living environment for you and your loved ones. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the FABULETTA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner and experience the ultimate cleaning convenience, efficiency, and power. Say goodbye to bulky, corded vacuum cleaners and hello to hassle-free cleaning with the FABULETTA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Transform your home into a cleaner, healthier space with the FABULETTA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.